English practice with Lengo cards. 10 bathroom items with examples. Shower.
Taking a refreshing shower can wash away the stress of the day.
Shower curtain.
Add some personality to your bathroom with a shower curtain.
Bathtub.
A bubble bath in the bathtub can be a great way to relax and unwind.
Cabinet.
I keep my extra towels and toiletries in the cabinet under the sink.
Toilet.
Keep the toilet clean and sanitized for a healthy bathroom environment.
Water flosser.
A water flosser is a quick and easy way to clean between your teeth, where toothbrushes can't reach.
Comb.
A comb can help you keep your hair looking neat and tidy throughout the day.
Shampoo.
The right shampoo can make your hair soft and shiny.
Hairbrush.
The hairbrush has soft bristles that don't damage hair.
Shower gel.
I love using shower gel with a nice scent to start my day off on the right foot.